Hi, this is Sandy Jo from rhinestonetemplates.com, and I'm working with the program Winpcsign2010, and what I would like to do is I'd like to kind of show you a few different ways of kind of working around some text a little bit and making text just do a few more distortion and different tricks and curving it a little bit more for a little bit more of the products, whether we're working with rhinestones or signage or whatever it would be. So what I have done here is I can go ahead and, with this program, I can go ahead and work these fonts around and how to break text and give it some more spacing. Just come up to your text key up on top of your toolbar, and you have a visual text spacing bar right there. And what that does is it puts these little bullets here. You can just grab them and just kind of space your text out. If you want a little bit more room between certain fonts or not, you can go ahead and do that. Another way of doing it is you can work with the character in the line jumps over here if you want to, and you can just by pressing these buttons just stretch it out more, bring it back in however you would like to. But I've got those spaced where I want them to go, but now I want to bring this down and curve it into a line so that I can curve it around the top of, say, my wings up here. So how you do that is you come over to your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrows down and your arc from your path, and I just go ahead and I'll just do another one here. You just go ahead and you make a path, and it doesn't matter what it really looks like because you can bring this down and you can adjust it, once you have it all set to go, or you can, bring your points down or do however you want. But I'm going to delete that one, and then what we do is I just bring this down close to the path that I want, and I want this to lay over the top of this path. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select with my marquee, I'm going to select my path and my font and come up back to my text bar up on top, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the fit text to path and let it do its work by figuring out if I want it under the right, the left, the bottom, or the top, and let it go ahead and apply. And I do want it on the top, so I went ahead and I clicked that, and it already applied it, and you can see it over here now. So I'll get rid of that box, and it already went ahead and it applied it into this. Now if I grab this with the marquee and try to move this around, my path is still connected. So go back up to your text bar actually before we delete it and open that back up, and I want you to click the break text path before you actually delete that, and then it deletes it itself. Then what you'll be able to do is grab your arc from down underneath here and separate it and get rid of it or save it. And you can, with a new download that they did with the Winpcsign, they built a little rotation tool right into our program, so you can just go ahead and you can torque this and move this all around and rotate it around without actually getting into the program with a different click. But if I wanted to do, say a circle or something, I could go ahead now and I could do the same type of a text, use to work it around, put it on the bottom, and I could bring this down a little bit further and put something down the bottom here and insert this graphic in the middle of it and have it be a different graphic. So I hope that helps you a little bit with your with what you need to know here on the WinPC program, and I'll have a lot more products on here, or not products, but a lot more information here in little different videos to give you little tricks of how to do different things. So if I can help you with anything else, just let me know and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.